Rover Gateway is your company's secure point for controlling mobile access to your vital business information. Use the intuitive control panel to define your company's unique set of menus and business information sources. Rover user accounts provide your mobile employees, partners, and guests secure access to company data from a Rover Retriever-enabled device. Rover user accounts consist of an email address and either a Rover authenticated password or Windows username authenticated through Active Directory. Using a Windows username to authenticate allows Rover Gateway to leverage security and authentication already defined by an organization. For users without an Active Directory account, Rover credentials can be used to authenticate and secure Rover content. This combination makes Rover ideal for sharing information with both internal employees and external partners. Users can be configured as a Gateway Administrator or normal user. Administrators can log in to the Rover Gateway Management Console to configure site and user options. Most users will be configured as normal users. Normal users cannot log into the Rover Gateway. They can only log in to Rover Retriever and retrieve items they have been granted access to. Users can be configured to use stock connectors, such as access to Excel files, or add-on connectors, such as access to SharePoint. Without assigning a user license for Rover Mobile SharePoint, this user will not be allowed access to SharePoint content. The Management Console shows the available licenses and the number of user licenses left to assign. As soon as the SharePoint license is assigned, the user restrictions are lifted. Authenticating a user through Active Directory simply requires associating the user with a Windows account. If your company does not use Active Directory, or you want to extend access to a partner not in your Active Directory, users can be authenticated using a Rover password defined by the admin. Data that requires Windows authenticated users will not be available to these users. Rover Gateway enforces data security already in place and provides additional layers of user and device options to further restrict mobile access to your data. Along with requiring users to log in with appropriate Rover or Windows credentials, users can also be limited to using only approved devices. Admin approval can be required for any device used by a user. Or, users can be given pre-approval to log in with a certain number of devices within a specified time period. Or, device restrictions can be lifted, allowing the user to log in with any device. The Rover Gateway admin can approve or block access from any device at any time. This ensures that even if credentials are compromised or a device is lost or stolen, the admin can secure access to your data. Once a device is blocked, it will no longer be granted access to the gateway. The Rover Gateway Management Console allows you to easily manage and secure mobile access to all your enterprise data, allowing you to focus on improving the productivity of your mobile workforce.